First of all, let's understand something about thoughts, how they influence our reality, and how not being able to observe and keep them in check can uh, create chaos in our life. Let me give an example. Do you know, to get myself in a sad mood, all it take me is to just think about one unpleasant past event right now. If I think about one unpleasant event that has happened in the past right now, immediately I will feel a surge rising of emotion in me. It could be anger, it could be sadness, it could be frustration. So as a result of this emotion rising up within my body, this will also send back message to where the initial thoughts came from. And this message will influence that train of thought. It is like a feedback loop. You think about something, you feel an emotion, and that emotion will influence your train of thought. So it is like a vicious cycle. You have been dragged into the drama. You are thinking, feeling, thinking again. You keep thinking about similar things. Unless you are interrupted by something that just snaps you out of that change of reaction. And that is why when you are thinking about something, you are, how will I put it? You are rehearsing one particular unpleasant event that maybe happened in the past or just happened few minutes ago. You keep getting similar thoughts about that thing. Maybe someone says something that annoys you. Someone just cross you in the traffic. A friend says something that angers you. So when you are being dragged into this melodrama, you keep thinking about how to, I should have punched this person, I should have said this word, I should have said this. You keep rehearsing that situation over and over again. And this kept influencing the way you think.